recruitment. We hire the best people to do it effectively. We have the network and key contacts and combine face-to-face, computerized aptitude, and psychometric screening. Training. Your team needs the latest in workplace productivity and facility management best practices to deliver results at peak performance. Train them on operations, business, projects, maintenance, strategy, etc. Facilities advisory. We advise you on operational readiness and building commissioning, expenses, and overhead cost reduction, outsourcing of services, etc. Facility management technology. We deploy instantis CMMS or eFacility, with web and app interfaces to automate and simplify management of entire asset portfolios. Energy management. We deploy British energy saving technology, BESS UK, intelligent metering and energy saving products, combined with a fuel tank and generator real-time monitoring technology for over 30% cost reduction. Asset management. We help you know exactly what you own, where they are and what conditions they are in with our asset registers, tagging, and condition assessment services. Facility quality audits. We measure statutory compliance, workplace productivity, prevent costly accidents, system failures, security lapses, and sudden fires with our facility audits of electrical integrity, HSSE, ambience, environments, etc. Document digitization. We help convert those legacy paper documents into a management system for reference and retrieval. Cost benchmarking services. These are services scoping and specifications, market rates, vendors pre-qualification, negotiations, etc. Outsourced help desk. We manage users' experiences and ensure services are delivered to defined quality metrics from our command center.